Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photo tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to delete photos or video from device in your Google Photo app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Photo app, Android phone. Having opened up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Collections right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this device. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to select a picture or folder that you want to delete from the device. Like for instance, I want to delete this particular video right here. So go ahead and select the video you want to delete. Once you select the photo or video that you want to delete, you can select as many as possible. I'm going to select this and I'm going to select this. Having selected everything you want to delete from the device, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. And you have delete from device. Go ahead and click on that. Item not backup permanently delete from the device. Go ahead and click on delete. Just like so. It's that simple. The photos or video will no longer be found on your device, even in your Google Photos. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.